Hi, everyone. My name is Dave Scott, and I'm the CEO and founder of Evil Genius Games. We create an online SaaS platform which allows anyone to build and play board games online. Since we launched 6 months ago, we've had explosive growth. We've actually hit 20,000 weekly active users, 3,500 paid subscribers, and we're seeing a 15% week over week growth. We have 168K in ARR, and we're actually on a path to hit $500,000 of ARR by the end of this year. We're founded by an amazing team, including myself. I'm a three-time serial entrepreneur. I sold my last company to Kevin Hart in 2018, as well as my two co-founders, who were the first two original engineers at Roblox. When they left, they were managing 14,000 engineers between the two of them. We've also are backed by some amazing venture capitalists, including 14 VCs, including Techstars, Alumni Ventures, Hustle Fund, Zeal Capital, and many more, as well as prominent angels, which include founders of Twitch, founder of Cruise Automation, as well as sports stars like Danny Green and Gary Payton too. We'd love to be part of this pitch competition, and we think we'll be really competitive, and I hope that you choose us. Thank you very much.